DIY traditional basket weaving, crafting baskets with natural fibers. Learn traditional basket weaving techniques and create handcrafted baskets using natural fibers. Discover expert tips to weave beautiful and durable baskets for home decor, gifts, and sustainability. Watch now for a step-by-step guide. Ever wondered how people crafted baskets before mass production? Let's unlock the ancient art of DIY traditional basket weaving using natural fibers. Whether for home decor, gifts, or just a relaxing hobby, this skill is both sustainable and rewarding. Stay till the end for expert tips to perfect your craft. Tip 1. Start with the right natural fiber: rattan, willow, seagrass, or bamboo. Each offers different flexibility and durability, so choose based on your basket's purpose. Tip 2. Soak your fibers in water for a few hours. This makes them more pliable and prevents breakage while weaving. Tip 3. Use a sturdy base. Traditional basket weaving begins with a firm foundation. Opt for a wooden or woven fiber base to ensure longevity. Tip 4. Learn basic weaving techniques. Over and under weaving is the simplest method, perfect for beginners. Gradually, you can explore twining and coiling techniques. Tip 5. Maintain consistent tension. Uneven weaving can result in a misshapen basket. Keep fibers snug but not too tight to maintain an even structure. Tip 6. Add natural dyes for customization. Soak fibers in tea, turmeric, or beet juice to achieve beautiful earthy tones without chemicals. Tip 7. Secure your basket with a reinforced rim. Use a thicker fiber or double wrap to keep the edges sturdy and durable. Tip 8. Shape your basket as you weave. Adjusting the angle of your weaving strands can create different shapes: round, oval, or even square baskets. Tip 9. Add handles for functionality. Weave sturdy loops or attach pre-made handles to enhance usability. Tip 10. Preserve your basket by applying beeswax or natural sealants. This protects it from moisture and prolongs its lifespan. Tip 11. Practice patience and consistency. The more you weave, the better your technique will become. Traditional basket weaving is an art that improves with time and dedication. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always follow safety precautions when working with natural materials and tools.